Here we are at Lowe's, and the lovely gentleman Lou is cutting this for me, but he does not want to be on camera, so we're going to respect that. Apparently these little cuts make it very difficult, so the fact that he's doing it so wonderfully is really great for me, and he saved me money from having to buy a little snap thing that I probably would have broke 10 tiles doing anyway. We're very happy that Lowe's has such amazing customer service and is doing this for us. Oh, he made a cameo appearance. I won't put his face back on because he asked me not to, but if he chooses to lean in, that's on him. And we are getting 14 of these little cuts for the stair project, and could not be happier with the service we're receiving. We definitely will be filling out a survey. Awesome. Good evening and welcome to my beautiful bungalow. We are getting ready to install tile on the back of our steps, and we removed a lot of this over deck is what they call it, I believe, which has sand and concrete and stuff in it, and we will be removing the rest, but for now we just removed it on the back of the step because I can't stand the way they look and I really want to do something to improve them. So we're just using some, what are we using, honey? Turn that around, the bucket. Type 1 tile adhesive. Yep. And we spray painted the crack white to make it look better. Let's see if I can get a view from this side. And just going to stick the tile on. We're going to butt them up against each other and not have any spaces. This is how the garden's looking at the moment. Everything looks really pretty. So I will come back when we have more of this done. But so far, I think it's going to look really pretty when you see the color of the house, although that will be changing to a dark gray, but it'll still go.